Hello, today I'm going to show you 4 soccer tricks. Around the world, the elastic, the ballerine trick, hat trick. So let's start. You get close the ball to your leg and then you lift the ball. Now I'm gonna do the trick, so watch and repeat. Now I'm gonna do the elastic. For the elastic you have to touch the ball for 2 sides very fast. For the ballerine trick, you pull the ball towards you, and with the other leg, you pull the ball to the other side. For this trick you have to pull the ball high and these have to pass on your head.